You're welcome in this quick tutorial. We are going to show you that how to upload multiple photos on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, we are going to know how to upload multiple photos on TikTok. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Now click on this plus mark. Your camera will open. Now select upload icon and you will go to your gallery. Now select the photos which you want to upload or which you want to submerge. Multiple photos will be added. Now click on the next icon. You can see in this way you can upload multiple photos on TikTok. Click on the next bar and your photos will be uploaded. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.